Hello friend, how are you?
I am fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Kokil Prasad Oli.
Okay, give me your introduction.
Thank you, sir. This opportunity to introduction myself. Thank you. My name is Kokil Prasad Oli. I am from Rolpa. I am married. I have two children, one daughter, one son. I have to. My family member is 7 people.
Okay.
Mm,
How
My
old
age,
are you?
I am 32 years old.
Okay, what about your education qualification?
10 class pass.
Okay, why do you want to go to Romania?
My family support to my money. Need money?
Okay, do you have any other friends or relatives working in Romania?
No, sir.
Okay, do you have any other medical problem?
No, sir.
Do you smoke or drink?
No, sir.
Are you mentally or medically fit?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready for doing on-skill jobs in Romania like factory worker, warehouse worker, waste sorting, city cleaning, or other indoor or outdoor work? Are you ready for doing anything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me your hands. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.